Vedic astrology as a darshana, or a world view, which helps you to see how the divine is present in every human life, and how the divine plan unfolds with its pleasures and pains, with its misfortunes and beatitudes. That varies from individual to individual. And so, if a teacher wants to actually guide a particular individual, he must know what kind of a drama the divine has architectured for him as part of his destiny, and the timing of the unfoldment of this drama, so that he may give the right teaching at the right time, and so that he may not give a teaching which does not suit the seeker or suit the disciple, because the teacher may say something based on very general terms, but the seeker or the disciple may be running a particular dasha, the main period, or a sub period, bhukti, in which something else may be more pertinent and more relevant. And therefore, unless one knows what the mood of God is in the life of the seeker or life of the disciple, then one will not be able to make very sensible statements of guidance, and one may not be in a position to be really helpful to the seeker and the disciple for them to travel onward. So, the darshana of Vedic astrology and Jyotisha is so important that without this light of Jyotisha, by which we come to know the changing moods of God from moment to moment, from month to month, from year to year, both teacher and disciple may be at a real loss as to know what is actually happening according to the divine will. So, the knowing of the divine will is of paramount importance. Hence, Jyotisha as a darshana is absolutely integral to any system of spiritual guidance. That's my view.